Welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we talk about the Cardano cryptocurrencies. What's the pricing goes in the Cardano, what's the current status of Cardano in the cryptocurrency market, and what is the next target of Cardano. In this video I will show you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and also like the smash button. As you can see here now, friends, let's see the price prediction of the Cardano cryptocurrencies. You can see here the price of the Cardano is 1.25 USD dollar, and the change of the Cardano occurs at the last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 7 day change is also an negative, friends. And if we talk about the market rank of the Cardano, so the market rank is about 7%. Now let's see the for more details about the Cardano. Let's see the technical analysis and graph of the Cardano of the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour graph is on the screen. If we look at the change occur in the Cardano in the last 1 hour, so the change is about negative 2.45%, and the high price in the period of last 1 hour is about 1.28 USD dollar is the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour. Now, friends, if we talk about the Cardano current price, so the current price of the Cardano is about $1.24 USD dollar is the current price of the Cardano, friends. If we look the graph of the Cardano, so as you can see here, continuously falls occur in the Cardano in the last 1 hour. That is why the change is a negative 2.45%, friends. Now let's see for more details and detection of the next target of the Cardano. Let's see the last one. See here, this last 1 day price prediction chart. Now if you look the last 1 day price chart, so the last 1 day change is positive, and the high price is absolutely good. 1.32 USD dollar is the high price of Cardano and the last 1 day, friends. Now as you can see here at this time, if we look the price prediction chart, so absolutely the very badly fast occur in the Cardano. As you can see here, the currently situation of the Cardano very bad. But if we look the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, so it is a rule of every cryptocurrency that after a fast there is a jump. So if we look now at this time, the Cardano fast occurs, so after a fast there is a jump. So now it's time to jump Cardano cryptocurrency. So what's your opinion about Cardano? Please share in the comment box. My opinion is that the future Cardano take a jump in the coming soon days. So please share your opinion in the comment box and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Cardano cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching this video.